Shadrach, Meshach, Abednego. I wanna walk like Moses, right through the waves. One day I'll see that promised land, no longer slaves. But the fear is talking, no one can take out my faith. I'm gonna praise, I'm gonna praise. I praise the mountain, the mighty waves and breaker of chains. Promise, just like Jericho. Yeah, I know what I'll make it for. I'm gonna praise, I'm gonna praise. I praise the mountain, the mighty waves and breaker of chains. I'm gonna praise, I praise the heavens, seated undefeated, highest of names. That's who I praise. I praise the God who's proven He can do impossible things. That's who I praise. That's who I praise. He's the Lion of Judah. He is the Lamb that was slain, the only one who's worthy, worthy, worthy of all of His names. That's who I praise. He is the risen Messiah. He is the Ancient of Days, the only one who's worthy, worthy, worthy of all of His names. That's who I praise. I praise the mountain, the mighty waves and breaker of chains. I'm gonna praise. I praise the heavens, seated undefeated, highest of names. That's who I praise the God who's proven He can do impossible things. That's who I praise. That's who I praise. That's who I I wanna love like Jesus, that kind of grace. I wanna live like I've got no more precious time to waste. I'm gonna give Him glory with all my things, 'cause there's no greater, stronger, higher name, and that's who I praise.